2 good hard days. I'm trying to get back into hiking shape. Are sore and tight and hungry already a lot, and everything that you would be expected to feel after 2 days on the AT, especially in the 100-mile wilderness. So I'm gonna do another 10 miles today. Looks like it's the Chairback Mountains for the most part. And it looks like it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna get packed up and mosey on down the trail. It's coffee time. All right, I'll be in touch. All right, this is a open air privy here in the 100-mile wilderness. They are actually getting ready to build a new privy. Kudos to everyone that helps do that, because that's definitely not an easy job. But I'm going to do a little walk down. There's a little blue blaze to the privy, to the shelter, just to give you a little bit of a glimpse and an idea of what this shelter's like. Very cool. There's Don breaking down his tent.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, day 3. How you feeling?
Day 3. This is the important day on the body.
We'll see what happens. Well, you're only 53, right?
63.
Oh, 63.
Yeah.
Oh boy, creeping up on it. And this was my little home last night. Drying out. 2 people were in the shelter. There's a group of about 6 people, and then there's the pond. So I'll get some more of the pond after I get cleaned up. And we're off. And we'll be cruising on the Appalachian Trail. All right. Made it to the plane wreckage that everyone talks about in the 100-mile wilderness. You can see all of the stuff that's just been spread out throughout this. So the plane's basically upside down. And the story is that father and son were in it, and they walked away from this, which is remarkable. And couldn't find a place to land, or had some issues going on as they were flying, and brought it in somehow. So I don't know if it's flipped over or what have you, but it's definitely on its flipped over. But the good news is people didn't perish, and the plane sits here for everyone to sort of see right on the trail. It's literally next to the trail. Here's the trail. There's the wreckage. All right, look at those blue skies up there. Can't wait to get to a view. I'm about 3 miles done, and Don went ahead of me, which was good. Well, I worked a little bit, and now I am working to catch him. Here we go. All right, we could see Whitecap all the way from this location here at the 3rd West Chairback site. So we're going up that guy right there. That's Whitecap.
Right there?
No, not that one. That one way out there.
Not today.
No.
Thanks.
That's gonna be day 6. Yeah, that's a view. We decided to have a nice light day. It was a 7-mile day is all. We got set up at the Chairback shelter, got all our gear laid out, enjoyed the sunset, took a nice bath in the stream. We also had a very strange encounter while we were down there. Check this out. This search and rescue helicopter flew right above us while we were getting water. I'm not sure who he was looking for, but it definitely was unique. Thank you for watching and have a great night.